Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Social Study Tech. 10th Standard Social Science in a Geography part, Unit 3, Unit name Indian Climate. So this one is part 1. Okay, now let's discuss the first filling the blanks. Roman number 1, filling the blanks with an appropriate answer. Now first let's see the first filling the blanks here. Question 1. India has a type of climate dash. India has a type of climate dash. Here the answer is tropical monsoon. Question number 2. India is received the highest rainfall. In India is received the highest rainfall is dash. Here answer is monsoon ram. Okay. Now question number 3. In India has recorded the lowest temperature is dash. In India has recorded the lowest temperature is dash. Your answer is Dras. Fourth one filling the blanks is the coldest month of India is dash. The coldest month of India is dash. Your answer is January. Now let's see the number 2. Let's discuss the question answer now. Answer the following questions in a words or a sentence each. Question first. Which is the hottest place of India? Which is the hottest place of India? Here answer is Ganganagar. Question number 2. During the summer seasons, the temperature is high in India. Why? During the summer season, the temperature is high in India. Why? Let's see the answer here. Sun rays fall vertically over the northern hemisphere. Sun rays fall vertically over the northern hemisphere. Now let's see the question 3 here. Highest temperature recorded in North India during the summer season. Why? Highest temperature recorded in Northern India during the summer season. Why? Now let's see the answer. Answer is here. Long day and distance away from the sea. Long day and distance away from the sea. Now let's see the question number 4. What are the reason for the rainfall at the same places in India during April-May? What are the reason for rainfall at the same places in India during April-May? Now answer is due to local temperature and winds. Due to local temperature and winds. Question number 5. Which seasons bring highest fall in India? Which seasons brings highest fall in India? Answer is here. The Southwest monsoon seasons or rainy season. Southwest monsoon seasons or rainy season. Now let's see the question number 6. The pre-monsoon rain in different names. The pre-monsoons rain in a different names. What are they? First one, pre-monsoon rain and states. Okay. Mango shower in Kerala. Coffee blossoms in Karnataka. Kala Baisakhi in West Bengal and Andhis in Uttar Pradesh. Okay. Now let's see the question 7. Which seasons bring highest rainfall to Tamil Nadu? Which seasons brings highest rainfall to Tamil Nadu? Now answer is here. The northeast monsoon seasons or retreating monsoon season. Question number 8. The southwest monsoon start to retreat in early October. Why? The southwest monsoon start to retreat in early October. Why? Because answer is in the early October, due to the decrease of temperature, the low pressure area is gradually replaced by the high pressure over the landmass. A low pressure area is developed over the Bay of Bengal. In early October, due to the decrease of temperature, low pressure area is gradually replaced by the higher pressure over the landmass. A low pressure area is developed over the Bay of Bengal. Now, move on to the question number 9. Which is the lowest rainfall season in India? Which is the lowest rainfall season in India? Your answer is winter season. Now let's see the question 10. Which is the lowest rainfall place in India? Which is the lowest rainfall place in India? Your answer is Roili in Jaisalmer of Rajasthan. Roili in Jaisalmer of Rajasthan. Now question 11. Mention the 2 branches of the southwest monsoon. Mention the 2 branches of the southwest monsoon. Your answer is one is Arabian Sea branches and the second one is the Bay of Bengal branches. First one is the Arabian Sea branches and second one is the Bay of Bengal branches. Now question 12. Which country's agriculture is gambling with the monsoon rains? Which country's agriculture is gambling with the monsoon rains? Here answer is India. Question 13. What do you mean by monsoon winds? What do you mean by monsoon winds? Okay, now let's see the answer. The winds which can changes their direction according to the seasons are known as monsoon winds. The winds which can changes their direction according to the season are known as monsoon winds. Okay, now move on to the question 14. What are the coffee blossoms? What are the coffee blossoms? Conventional rain in Karnataka is beneficial to the coffee crop. Conventional rain in Karnataka is beneficial to the coffee crop. Next question. A retreating monsoon season is called as northeast monsoon. Why? Question number 15. Retreating monsoon season is called as the northeast season. Why? Because answer is they blow from northeast directions. They blow from the northeast direction. Okay, fine. Now move on to the question 16. The eastern sides of Western Ghat does not receive rain as much as the western slope. Why? The eastern sides of the Western Ghats does not receive rain as much as western slope. Why? Answer, because they lies in rain shadow regions. Because they lies in the rain shadow region. Now move on to the question 17. What are mango showers? What are mango showers? Now let's see the answer. Conventional rain in Kerala helps the mango crop. Mango showers means a conventional rain in Kerala helps the mango crop. Thank you everyone. If you like the video, then don't forget to share and subscribe my channels and press the bell icon.